Alright guys, we're back with Bella and we're going to show you how to do a quick double Dutch braid. We're going to just do a half up Dutch braids, but we're going to start in the front and we're going to take a section about yay big and we're going to part it into 3 pieces and we're going to do a reverse. We're going to go underneath, and as we go back we're just going to add hair every time we are going to put the piece under, and we're going to keep going to the back. Taking little sections. And just picking up pieces as you go. And if you have extensions, just try to cover that up with another piece. And just taking little pieces as I go. And then when I get to about her ear, I'm gonna just fix that little guy. When I get to about her ear right here, I'm gonna stop taking hair. So it's probably about halfway. And then I'm just gonna braid all the way down. And if one of the sections of hair gets a little bit too short, you can take a piece from the other one to make it thicker and just braid all the way down. So you almost run out of hair. And then usually before I rubber band it, I'll just take this side of the braid and I'll just pull it out to make it like a little chunkier. I just take the outside edge and just pull it, just to fan it out a little bit. And just work my way up. Usually if you fan out it a little extra like on the bottom, because once you start fanning it out, when you get to the top, it makes these a little smaller. And then sometimes if you have a lot of texture to it, you don't even have to rubber band it really. And then we're going to move to the next side and taking it in 3 pieces. And every time you go underneath, you just add hair to that. And just braiding back. And just keep going till you get to like the top of the ear. Trying to make it pretty much even to the other side. So once it's about there, then I just keep braiding all the way down. And then, again, just take the outside piece and just pull those out. Again, kind of doing it like a little extra big towards the bottom. Because once you pull it, it's kind of like a shoelace and it will get smaller as you keep pulling to the top. And then you can kind of pull them out a little more if you want. And then we're just gonna, you can leave it like that, or you can add, we're gonna add just a little bit of butterflies to it. And you can just clip them wherever I think looks cute. A little bit of the Orbe texture spray, dry thick spray again, and just spray it on there.